Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Combine 1/2 cup finely ground coffee with 2 tablespoon water in a small saucepan. Stir to hydrate grounds so they form a thick paste. This improves extraction and texture. Heat on medium immediately. Do not wait, because gentle, even warming releases oils. Use a whisk or spoon and keep motion steady for about 2-3 minutes to prevent scorching. Once the mixture thickens and darkens slightly, reduce heat to low, making sure it never boils, since boiling ruins flavor. You now concentrate the paste. Keep it on low heat and stir continuously for another 3-5 minutes until the color deepens and a glossy sheen appears. This signals dissolved oils and concentrated flavor. Taste cautiously. If it's too bitter or dry, add 0.51 tsp sugar or 1-2 tsp water and stir until integrated. For a silkier result, fold in 1 tsp butter or a neutral oil. This binds fats and softens the edge. Make sure to keep stirring, because pockets of heat will cause uneven texture. You finish by removing the pan from heat and letting the paste cool for 10-15 minutes. Cooling stabilizes texture and concentrates flavor further. Transfer into a clean jar and refrigerate in an airtight container. This stores up to 7 days so you can scoop for drinks or baking. If you notice grit, make sure to test a spoonful with hot water. Stir, then strain through a fine sieve to separate larger particles. If flavor is flat, warm a small portion and add a pinch of sugar or a drop of oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.